on page 2 in question number 5, it says the sum of the interior angles of a polygon is 4 times the sum of the exterior angles. So in other words, I know the formula for the sum of the interior angles. That's 180 times n minus 2. And I know the sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360. And I have to take that times 4 because we know the left side is 4 times as big as the right. So if I simplify that, I get 180n minus 360 equals 360 times 4, and that is 1440. Well, if I add 360 to both sides, notice I get 180n is 1800. So n would be 10 then, wouldn't it? You divide both sides by 180. And there's a solution to number 5. Now number 6, and that seems a little tricky, doesn't it? I want to find the measure of angle CBD. How in the world am I going to do that? Oh, notice, let's take a look at angle CBA, because that's on a hexagon, isn't it? And we just said that the total number of degrees on a hexagon is 720. So if I divide that by 6, I get 120 degrees for my blue angle. Now let's do the same thing for angle DBA. So angle DBA is going to be on my pentagon. Well, we just did the pentagon too, didn't we? So the pentagon is going to be, let me make sure I counted that right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on a pentagon, you're going to get 180 times 3. And we're going to divide that by 5. Now, didn't we just do 180 times 3 on the previous page? Maybe we didn't. Thought we did. Oh yeah, 540. So you take 540 divided by 5. Come on. And my red angle is going to be 108 degrees. Well, what do I do to find that? We take 180 minus 108. We end up with 12 degrees. Now, if we take a look at this one, we have angle ABC, don't we? I want to find the measure of angle B. So we'll start here. We just did the hexagon, and we said each angle of our hexagon is 120. We said each angle of our pentagon was 108. So that tells me angle A, since it's exterior, is 60. Angle C, since it's interior, is going to be 180 minus 108 is 72 degrees, then, isn't it? So then, to find angle B, we know there's 180 degrees in a triangle. We take 180 minus 60 minus 72. And when you do that, you get 48 degrees. So our correct answer on that problem is 48 degrees.